Here we got a 1953 Chevy 210, which was a more economically priced model from the Bel Air. Looks kind of basically, well, it's not stock, obviously. It's got a different upgraded motor in there, aluminum radiator. What do you got? The air conditioning with the trans cooler, the air conditioning. You know, it's got the electric fan on there, which makes the air conditioning work a lot better. Cooling power, you need that when you're idling. You know, you just can't have the. That's why he has it with the regular fan and the electric fan. Got a flex fan there, aluminum radiator. This is coming from the front. The air ducts. So it's got air conditioning. He's got good old, you know, ventilation coming in here from the air ducts in here to there. Grumpy's Garage, California, Florida. Got the hidden antenna. It's got, I think it's an automatic. Got the 8-ball on the steering wheel. It's probably an automatic. Take a look around here. Yeah, it's the dipstick for the automatic transmission. HEI distributor with we call it vacuum advance. 53. You see, he's got the 5-spoke mag wheels on there. Slightly bigger tires in the back. It's lowered. There's some love bugs on there. You can see there's little dots. It's all these love bugs. So he's got 2 antennas. So I don't know if that's for some other kind of radio. He's got one that's hidden electric antenna that goes up. He's got this one on the back here. Dual exhaust. He's got those blue dot tail lights. It's a nice ride, very nice ride. A lot of steel. See, he's got the other antenna here, so I'm thinking he's probably got 2 kinds of radios in here or something. I don't know. Maybe he's just got 2 antennas. I was wondering if he had some kind of CB or something, or CB with what do you call it? The half band or the dual band, whatever it is. You got the one with the in-between bands. It's got like a lot more channels on it. Sweet ride, very nice. So that's from Ocala, Florida, there in that area. Local car. This is not a snowbird car. This is a genuine Florida, North Central Florida car.